Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course, guys, this is the review of the wall dashboard camera. And of course, this is meant for your car. This is a dashboard cam. It is meant to place or to be placed to the rear of the car in case of accidents or accidental collision. This might be the difference between you and your insurance company sorting out the issues in terms of proving that you did not cause a accident and the other party is at fault. Otherwise, it can be very good for general security in terms of your safety. It can be used in court cases later on. And of course, it could be the difference between you in situations where you get robbed or so on. It might be used by the police to track down those involved. So there are a myriad of important benefits to having one of these in your car. Now, best of all, this one installs easily and it works great. I want to thank the guys at Wool for sending this over. I've already done the unboxing. I'll link that below, and of course you can always check that out. All right, so the first thing I notice about this device, and I'll give you a general run through. Now, of course, I have this mounted, and what's happening here is that while this is the stand, it comes with two stands. This one will stick to almost any flat surface, especially the glass in your car. The way this is meant to be installed is that you would actually go to the back glass and you'll stick this on. Once you stick it onto the glass, it will be set in this position, and of course once you hit this button right here, the suction ability will be activated and it will adhere to the glass. Notice once I do this, it relaxes, but of course once I press it down, it actually sticks. It comes with a plastic on it. Do remember to remove it or it will not stick to surfaces effectively. Also, the lens, as always, comes with a plastic that needs to be removed for best picture quality. As you can see here, you can see the front of the device. It's FHD, which stands for full HD. There's also a mic for picking up sounds, and of course you can see this beautiful lens right here. The lens is 1080p and captures video in full definition. I'll also show you pictures of this device in action, and I like the black. It's quite nice. The outer housing seems to be metal, which is very sturdy, and of course this can be detached, meaning this is just a one of two mounting apparatuses that comes. You can also swivel, so once it's stick to a surface, you can actually swivel this around to get the best angle. All right, otherwise guys, you can see the charge port down here. This is micro USB. Next, you can see that over here there is a HDMI, meaning you can send the output from right here. That's a great feature as well. Around here you'll find the display, quite nice. And of course on this side over here there is a slot for the memory card. Just focus right here. For the memory card, there is a up, a down, a menu button. And of course guys, on the other side over here you'll notice too that there is a bunch of options. There is the record button, the snapshot button, and of course there's another button here, and of course there is this one here, which is the power button. Now of course guys, I like this so far. I've tested it out and it does work flawlessly. And you can see down here guys, there is a reset button at the base just in case anything goes wrong. There's also a mic port to pick up sounds. All right, so you'll also notice too that the reset button, you can use this in case, especially outside of the box, in case it's not working fully. I think it's a great addition. In my case, when I just got this, it would power on, there's a sound, and it just kept on making that sound over and over again. What I had to do was just to do a quick reset and it fixed that issue right out of the box. It was no biggie. All right, so of course, now that I've done the overview, we're going to check out, of course, the main device itself. Now as you can see here, guys, just to power on, I've charged already. I'm just going to hit the power button. All right, and there you go. You can get a quick preview here. As you can see, it's using a fisheye lens, meaning that the image is kind of slightly warped. Alright guys, so as you can see as well, the phone is charged. You can see a battery indicator, the date, and also the time. You can also see the mic recording options, and there's a bunch of features here. And of course, once you start recording, you'll see the option on screen that a recording is being done, especially if there's a memory card installed. So you do need a memory card for this to start recording. The record option, which is a red dot, will start beeping just up here. It's a simple matter of hitting the record button and of course pressing it again to stop. You can also wire this to your car so that it will turn on whenever the car starts and turn off whenever the car stops. You can also power it directly from your vehicle, or of course you can charge. There's a built-in battery, and of course it will draw power from the car itself. The installation guide does run you through the details. I like the menu options. It's quite robust and detailed and easy to understand. For example, without even reading the manual, I was able to run through the main functions. Some of the main functions, as you can see here, let's show you what the menu looks like. This is the menu option. It's just a simple matter of going through the camera or video resolution. You can actually adjust video resolution. You can also adjust picture resolution. There is a setting options, so it's all up to you as to what you want to do. You can also go into the robust overall details or menu option right here, and all I gotta do is just hit the button here and you can go through. There's Wi-Fi, there's date and time, and of course there's your power options. There's parking monitor if you want that to detect when you're parking or moving. Beeping sounds, you can turn those off. Language, screensaver, there's frequency. You can format your SD card from here. There's restore default default settings I should say, sorry, and of course the version. Quite nice, of course, with a bunch of these options here. You can record up to 1080p and no higher, but that's plenty, as the clarity of recordings is super crisp. You can also take pictures as well. So let me just run you through the menu right here. Alright, so as you can see from video, you can control resolution, you can do loop recordings, you can run through exposure settings, WDR, there's motion detection, recording audio, date stamp. You can even, in cases once there's a collision detected, it will start recording. And of course prioritize, there is the feature to record over, so you can have a continuous recording. And of course once a collision detection is detected, it will lock footage, meaning it will not overwrite. So you can actually save record continuously. When there's an accident, it will capture a decent section of video footage and lock that, and of course show the entire accident. All right, so there's G sensor, and that's it for that screen right there. Overall, a very nice device. As you can see here, this is the resolution. We're on 1080p. There's also the option of 1728 by 1296, which is 1296p, which is just a little bit higher. So it's up to you as to the maximum resolution that you want. 1080p is fine for me. The extra of 1296p is not very necessary in my book. I'm just going to exit this menu right here. Alright, so overall guys, I like this camera. It works flawlessly. It's a great buy. So just go ahead and show the guys over at Wall some love and purchase this device. As I said, highly recommended, love it, and of course I give this product a thumbs up so far. If you're in the market for one of these dashboard cams, just make sure that you get yours. Alright guys, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, and please remember to like the video, check out the link for this product, or just research it online, you'll find it. Alright, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye guys.